Y'all nigga love it. Come on, man.
In the basement with my nigga Versatile, you heard me?
Mike P just told us we got the green light to this bitch here. Yeah.
You know what it is.
Y'all niggas hating, niggas hating.
Stop stunting, nigga, you know what it really is.
Y'all niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating.
Stop stunting, nigga, you know what it really is.
Niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating.
But y'all keep on hating cause we gon' do just what we feel.
Niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating.
Yeah, I'm sipping on a purple cup. Me and my niggas bout that money, but we get it up. Niggas sleeping on the dog, it best you start waking up. I wise up like Bud, nigga, before we light you up. Man, we chillin' on the scene. We steady counting green, steady serving dope fiends. See, I came from the bottom, but I'm headed to the top. Started from the soul pot, and now I'm working on rock line. Niggas talking like they real, but they really fake. Opportunities, how many chances you willing to take? Me and my niggas got it good around my fucking way. And if you about to gain blood, then you better pray. Look, I be telling niggas just exactly what it is. They flippin' thinking that they know me, partner, you don't know what it is. You just keep hating, nigga, and we gon' keep on skating, yeah. I know them niggas, they be full of fucking hatred, yeah. But y'all niggas already know just what it really is.
Niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating.
But y'all niggas know what it really is.
Niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating. Okay, I'm tired of pussy niggas. They always hating. Side jeffing those side songs with niggas perpetrating. Like y'all some real niggas, cause y'all hooked up with real niggas. Y'all ain't no real niggas, so I'ma show you the real nigga. I'ma show you the deal about them niggas that's really hating. Like you trying to stop my paper, like my shit ain't escalating. That mean I'm sitting tall, dawg. That mean I can a few dollars to spare to y'all. And you don't wanna see me, dawg, when I be coming through. I'm swerving cool, asking niggas what they do. If you got that green for me, dawg, holla at me too. That mean I want 3 for 10, dawg. Boy, it's all on you.
Y'all niggas know exactly what it really is.
Niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating.
Y'all know exactly what it really is.
Niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating.
But y'all can keep on hating, y'all know what it is.
Niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating, niggas hating.
But we gon' run this shine, steady stacking up a meal.
Getting all that paper for the top, getting the
Look,
paper.
I'm smashing these niggas till like Idaho potato. Niggas talk about snatching my dough, better let go my way, ho. None of a way, ho. I got that heated cop. Bleeding, tell them niggas drop. Tell them opportunity come once in a lifetime. I ain't trying to knock. Me and my nigga in the proper spot to go get it. Ambition as a rider like Pac. I'm beaming in my vision. I got a vivid picture of living mostly with these niggas thinking. Full of that weed, smoking nigga, just constantly drinking. All my homies, they thuggin', we ain't about to stop. Versatile and bonding, nigga, can't tell me this shit ain't hot. Nigga, cause you know exactly what it is. Keep on hating like bitch ass nigga meet the steel.
Niggas stop hating on us, though. When we get out here, we rough and fall. And y'all niggas be like talking, that's why y'all fall. But they mouth to the bitches, dog, tell them where you're at about. How much dope that you got in your house, niggas stop in your mouth. You let them bitches know your plans and your plots. That's why everybody after you gon' have a hip hop. And t-shirts, second line with the band. I mean, they did it, dog, cause they thought you was the man. So niggas gon' get you, don't stop that hating, bitch.
Hating, bitch. Cause y'all know what it really is.
Niggas hating.
Freestyle, nigga. Freestyle.
All day.